Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Coldwell Banker Global Luxury profile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Coldwell Banker Global Luxury profile, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Coldwell Banker Global Luxury website. Once the home page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login screen. If you have trouble remembering your password, locate the Forgot Password link and click on it. You will be redirected to a password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your Coldwell Banker Global Luxury account. Check your email for a password reset link that should arrive shortly. Open the email and click on the provided link to set a new password. You will be directed to a page where you can enter your new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria outlined on the page. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once both fields match, click the Submit button to finalize your password reset. After confirming, return to the login screen. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your profile with the updated credentials. Once logged in, review your profile information for accuracy. If needed, make any updates or adjustments to enhance your profile. Your Coldwell Banker Global Luxury profile is now successfully reset and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.